Welcome to Sip Niagara. I'm Jeremy Parsons, and I'm introducing my Asian sensation Caesar, which you can make at the world's largest Caesar bar. So first, we're going to start off with a little bit of wasabi. This isn't for the faint of heart, that's for sure, but you sushi lovers are going to love this cocktail. So we've got just a little bit of wasabi on there. Next, I'm going to add in some ice, followed by a healthy dose of Tito's. Now, of course, your mixologist at the end is going to be adding in your spirit, but I'm doing it so you can see what it's going to look like. Next, some all-natural Caesar mix from Walters, and then some kimchi brine from Alchemy. This tastes delicious and gives you a beautiful umami flavor. A little bit of Worcestershire, some Tabasco sweet and spicy. This is one of my new faves. And a pinch of Montreal steak spice. I'm gonna shake this bad boy up. And pour it out. Add a little skewer, and of course yours can be a whole lot bigger than that. Welcome to Sip Niagara.